In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change case uppercase lowercase in Canva. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Canva. Typing Canva into the search bar is the quickest way if you don't have it bookmarked. You're looking for the official Canva website, which should appear near the top of your results. Click on the correct link to go to canva.com. Avoid ads or lookalike pages by checking that the URL begins with HTTPS and clearly shows the Canva domain so you land on the real site. Next, log in. Use your existing account and the sign-in method you prefer. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your homepage without any extra steps. From the homepage, open the designer. You can do this by creating a new design with a preset size or by opening an existing project from your recent designs. Either way, you'll enter the Canva editor, which is where all the text controls live. Once you're in the editor, select the text you want to change. Click once to select the text box, then double-click or drag to highlight specific words if you only want part of the text to change. If you want to affect the entire text box, you can also press Ctrl-A or Command-A while the text box is active. With your text selected, look up to the top toolbar. Click the AA icon. This is Canva's case control. Clicking it toggles between uppercase and lowercase, depending on your current selection. You'll see the letters in your selected text switch instantly to all caps or revert to standard casing. If you don't see the AA icon, it's probably tucked under the three dots on the right side of the toolbar. Click the three dots to expand the advanced text menu, and you'll find the same AA option there. This menu collects less frequently used controls, so it's the first place to check whenever something seems missing. Here are a few quick tips. The case change is non-destructive, which means it doesn't rewrite your content. It only changes how it's displayed. You can keep typing after toggling, and new characters will follow the chosen case. If part of your text didn't change, make sure it's actually highlighted, or that you're editing the correct text box. Also, because fonts vary, some letter forms may look slightly different in all caps due to font design, and that's normal. That's it. Open Canva, log in, open your design, select your text, tap the AA case control, and expand the three dots if you don't see it. You're ready to switch between uppercase and lowercase for headlines, captions, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.